Well, it's been a week or two. We should have done this sooner, but we've been busy. We went down to the beach for a week and played around, and you know, just stuff happens. But I'm working on the radiator. Got the radiator mount in. Radiator's here. This cooler, this is a reservoir. It's going to go up on top somewhere. Not exactly sure. Got to do some measuring. Charge air cooler's kind of vice script in place for now. It's going to work out fine. It's got to make some more brackets go around to the side. I was going to do that today, but man, it was hot and I was sweating like the third guy in line for the Eclipse rally. Who knows if he's going to get in. So I did get the battery box built today. The battery's going to go here. Yeah, so the battery box, it looks like it's a little low, but it's really not. The front is aired down. The back is still aired up. I guess the front bags are leaking a little bit. I don't know yet. But it's no lower than the HWH jack, so I don't think it's going to be fine. It's going to air up another 4 inches probably. The exhaust is going to be interesting. It comes out here. It's going to turn and go back underneath. Go way down. Come out right here behind the door. Where you see where the forward exhaust pipe comes out, right around in that area somewhere, not too close to the airbag, some up here somewhere. The Horton electric fan that I got from Larry at Fan Clutch is here, and he did a great job as usual. Measured the shroud, measured the offset, measured everything, and there it is right there. It's going to work out beautifully. Thank you, Larry, for that. The HWH jack motor, pump motor, and all that is right here. It's a little high. I have a spacer made over there, and I hadn't put it on yet. It's going to drop it all down about 2 inches so that doesn't hit the floor of the bus. What else we got going on here? Oh yeah, the transmission cooler is mounted there. I'm waiting on some silicone hoses, some real nice tight 90s so it doesn't hit the drive shaft there. And it goes all the way back to the radiator. It comes out in this side and out that side. Goes right to the bottom neck on the radiator into the water pump. Don't know what else. It's been hot. But what we're going to do now, we're going to pull the little bus in, the Bluebird in. We're going to pull it in over the pit. I want to spray all those bolts underneath with PB Blaster. Get ready to take all those bolts out. Let's go in here. My service truck needs to be cleaned up. Boy, it's loaded up. This is my old Miller welder, Miller-Matic 200. I bought that new in 1989. It's made a few bucks here for me. Still works good. I'm not about to trade it off. So here's my pit. 35 feet long, 6 feet deep, almost, 4 feet wide. I like them deep because I don't like to bump my head. I'd rather step up on a stool or a milk crate or a ladder to get to something than bump my head. So now I'm going to open the door here for the Bluebird in. Of course, we made these doors right here. They withstood Hurricane Michael without any damage. The one down there covers, one door covers that whole opening. It got a little bowed. It rolls back and forth instead of bifolding like this. You got a little boat in a hurricane, but all the other places in town that had roll-up doors, it blew the doors down. So I felt real good about my homemade doors. All right, Carol, I'm gonna put the hood down and load the dogs up. Come on, Jerry. Jerry. Come on, Molly. Jerry, let's ride. Come on. Come on, let's go ride. He's over there. He's not coming. Come on. Get in, Molly. Get in. Get in. Jerry. I'm bringing it in so I can PV blaster all the bolts underneath that holds the body on. We're going to figure out how to get that off here in the next day or two. We're going to go down in the hole. Carol, you coming in? You ever been in here before? Have you? Okay. Come on in. Well, that cross member there's a little rusty. Hadn't had it over the pit before. Look at that, huh? Oh well. Who cares? I did crawl under here on the grass out there in the yard. Look at that little bitty gas tank. How far do you think they went with that? Okay, so it looks like when you look at the drip, gonna drip right in my eye. There's a bolt there on the outside, and then this is clamped on. Right there's a clamp, nut and bolt, and a clamp right there, and that's how it's held on. There's another one. There's one back there. There's one, and that's a nut and bolt. That's like an L bracket or L cross member. So you hold the top, loosen the bottom. This is where the generator used to mount originally, and that's where it'll probably go back in the same area. All original shocks. Exhaust brake. Hanger. Couple more bolts. They're going to be easy to get out. Being my Milwaukee impact wrench, and I'm going to spray them down good here in a little bit. Let it cool off. I guess I won't have to. They've welded this back bumper on. Somebody has. I'm sure it didn't come from Bluebird welded. They got some trailer hitch stuff going on. We'll cut that off right off of there with a torch. Oh, we got a bird's nest or something up under there. There's another one on this side. Maybe rats. Who knows? How are these held on? Spray foam, that's bolted on. Bolted on there. So I can unbolt. It's not just welded, but boy, it's a monkey weld for sure. And I think this goes right up to the bottom of the bus. Hopefully I can stack my dunnage up under these boxes when I pick it up. That was the fresh water tank there in the back, right in the middle. That's where the fuel tank will be on the other chassis. So anyway, this just clamps on. 8 or 10 clamps and then 2 bolts up at the front. And core support, of course, but hell, it's about run it out. It may not. You have 1 bolt. That's the engine bolt. Couple bolts right up there. Core support comes off. Let Tom take the core support and all that out, radiator and all that out, and the grill and the bumper, because it'll all roll right out the front. Is the plan. The old motor looks good, doesn't it? Painted, it runs good. It's only rust on it. Look at that. Man, he must have driven it off in the river somewhere. Alright, I guess that's it for now. We'll do some more later. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button if you like it. If you don't, we got some bunnies for you to pet. Hope you like it. See you down the road.